In this video, I'll show you proven methods for resetting a throttle position sensor yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Make sure to stick around, because I'll also show you exactly how to verify your reset was successful, which could save you from unnecessary repairs down the road. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Your throttle position sensor tells your car's computer how far you're pressing the gas pedal. When it gets out of calibration, your vehicle can hesitate, stall, idle roughly, or even trigger that dreaded check engine light. Now let's look into the 4 methods of resetting a TPS sensor. Method 1. The battery disconnect. This is the simplest way to reset your throttle position sensor and works for almost any vehicle. First, make sure your car is completely off. Pop the hood and locate your battery. Using a wrench, disconnect the negative terminal. That's the black one with the minus sign. Make sure the cable doesn't touch any metal parts. Now comes the waiting game. Leave it disconnected for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives your car's computer enough time to completely reset. Reconnect the negative terminal securely and start your engine. Let it idle for at least 5 minutes without touching the gas pedal. This allows your car's computer to relearn the idle position. Method 2. The ignition cycle reset. If you'd rather not disconnect your battery, try this method instead. Insert your key and turn it to the on position that's right before you'd normally start the engine. Don't start it yet. Wait for all your dashboard lights to finish their cycle. Now, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Hold it there for 5 seconds, then release it completely. Turn the ignition off and count to 10. Repeat this entire process 2 more times. Finally, start your engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Method 3. Throttle range relearn. This method is particularly effective for drive-by-wire systems in modern vehicles. Start with a completely cold engine. Don't perform this right after driving. Turn your key to the on position without starting the engine. Slowly and smoothly, cycle your gas pedal from fully closed to fully open and back again. The key word here is slowly. Take about 3 to 4 seconds in each direction. Repeat this smooth motion 3 to 5 times. Turn the ignition off for at least 10 seconds. Now start your engine and let it idle without touching the gas pedal. Your car is relearning its throttle range. Method 4. OBD2 Scanner reset. For many modern vehicles, this is the most precise method. First, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. You can buy one online or borrow one from most auto parts stores. Locate your vehicle's diagnostic port. It's usually under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug in the scanner and turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Navigate through the scanner's menu to find ECU reset or clear learned values. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your throttle position sensor. Turn off the ignition when complete, then start your engine and let it idle to complete the relearning process. After trying any of these methods, take your car for a test drive. You should notice smoother acceleration, better idle quality, and possibly even improved fuel economy. If your issues persist after trying all 4 methods, it might be time to replace the sensor itself or consult a professional mechanic. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your throttle body and resetting your TPS can extend your engine's life and improve performance. Try these simple resets before spending money on unnecessary repairs. Give these methods a try. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments which one worked best for your vehicle.